Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I gonna show you the best free article generator tool similar to Jasper Jarvis Writer, but this tool is totally free, you can use it without any investment. I also share in this video how to write blog posts step by step with this free tool. Before watching this video, please smash the subscribe button and thumbs up on this video for more interesting content related to digital marketing, SEO, and make money online. Do not skip this video because I share a few tips and tricks on how to write a full blog post for your website. Without wasting time, let's get started. Open your browser and search hsupertools.com. hsupertools is the best free SEO and digital marketing tool that is used for keyword research, SEO analysis, and more. But our video topic is how to write a blog post with hsupertool.com. Now go to the AI section and click on AI Outline Generator. Search any topic and click on Generate Outlines, wait just a few seconds. Amazing, this free tool generates outlines idea for your blog post. Now copy these outlines and save them in Notepad. Now go to hsupertools, go to the AI section, and click on the AI Writer tool. Copy outline from Notepad one by one, paste in this tool and click on Generate. After a few seconds this tool generates a paragraph of this outline. Copy this paragraph and paste it in Notepad. Again, copy another outline from Notepad, paste it and click on Generate. Copy this paragraph and paste in Notepad. Repeat this again and again for writing a full blog. If you are not watching the previous video, in the previous video I share with you a free AI article generator tool without limitation, link in this description. Kindly watch this video to write more blog posts. I hope guys you love this video. Please subscribe to this channel for motivation and like this video for more interesting content.